Yeah, so this thing is litty for real. If you want to get that kitty litty, if you want to get that clit lit. I'm so not good at being sexy. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. It's Asha L here with Natural Hair Rebel. If you are new here, I hope that you choose to stay by hitting that subscribe button. If you're a follower of mine, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I drop a video. So we're gonna keep it real chill, real sexy, real laid back. And I hope you guys really like and enjoy this video. Especially because this is my third time recording it because I keep having audio issues and it's getting on my last nerves, and I'm really excited about this daggone product that I'm about to show you, and I hope you guys are too. And let's just hope that I have no more audio issues because I'm already a week late getting this video to you. So here we go. If you are under 18, I need you to dismiss. This video is for all my grown and sexy, and we about to get it popping. And as this video suggests, this is all about self-care. Now, self-care doesn't have to always look like a spa. Nails, hair, makeup, vacation, drinks with the girls, dinner by self. It doesn't have to be any of that. So I asked you guys on Instagram a few days ago,
what are some things that you guys do to relax, to calm down, unwind for the day or the week?
And a lot of you gave me the same generic answers, but this was my favorite comment. It was the realest comment. You guys, come on, we're grown, we're women and men. I'm not gonna share y'all stuff. We are grown and sexy, baby, okay? We about to get this clit lit. And if you're not having a good time in that department, let me talk to you about how we can get you crack-a-lacking, okay? First, as always, all of the legal stuff, you guys. This was gifted. It was sent to me by Lelo. Thank you so much, Lelo. You have changed my life. And Lelo's about to change y'all. It is a clitoral massager, and this is the business. There's nothing much that I can say about this that this thing does not prove to you itself. I'm gonna have all of the information listed down below. And you guys, I didn't come empty-handed. I have an affiliate code for you guys to use. They also having a Black Friday sale. I know. I'm late. As I said, I had to re-record this video.
Thanks, audio.
I hope that you can catch it, but if you do not, still go ahead and check Lelo out because this device is awesome. And honestly, when I say it has changed my life, it literally has. This, y'all, my 35 and up club, y'all already know we've been in the game for a while now. You know what I mean? There's a lot of games and toys and all those types of things that's out there that we've used, been there, done that. And when the package came, I could not wait to just get it started, right? So took it out the package, y'all, it comes dead as a doorknob. So you have to charge it. As soon as we came back, listen, Hubs went to walk the dog. That took no longer than 8 minutes. No longer than 8 minutes. 3 times, y'all. Just thinking back on my experience with Sila.
Yes, Jesus.
Hubs was mad because he wanted to crack that bad boy open with me. Like, he was mad. Hubs grabs it every single chance he gets. He's trying to kill a girl, y'all. Though Lelo does supply toys for men as well. So if you guys are checking this out, please head on over. Don't forget to use my affiliate link. Once again, I'm going to say that because once again, it's free to use. Use it, boo. Dog. Nothing has made me as excited as Sila. Nothing has made me hit big orgasms as many times in the amount of minutes as Sila has. Like, crazy. Sila gives you no time in between orgasms. So this could be a good and bad thing. Now they say that they help with slow sex. Yes. You just gotta, you gotta back off. The moment you put it on, you like that, 2 minutes in. It's not even, bruh, I'm lying about the time. It ain't even 2 minutes in, sis. It's like 45 seconds. I'm gonna explain to y'all what I feel. And I would love, if you guys try this out, I would love to know what y'all feel too. My feet get real hot. Like someone has lit a match up under my feet. My toes get real tight and real tingly. And that's how I know. You wanna stop because you're like, oh my God. But if you sorry, that was me thinking about it again. I'm coming back. Hold on. Y'all, no lie, it is the best sex toy I have ever had, tried, wanted, needed. Listen, I am so down with Lelo. Y'all have no idea. I'm spending my coins, y'all. Like, I'm spending my coins on a sex toy. You need it in your life. You need it in your life. And it is so fun to have with a partner too. But don't tell them that you really don't need them. It's that good. I mean, there's some things you need them for, you know what I mean? But let's get back onto the device. Here it is. It comes in different color options. Body safe silicone, 8 different modes. You can control the intensity. If I want it to be slow, then I choose those modes that take me a bit longer to get there. I don't like those that much. It's not that fun. We don't, listen, get me there, okay? Just get warm. It ain't even a warm up. It ain't a warm up, because by the time you think you're warmed up, you're done. Like, it's just a lovely, lovely device. Waterproof, take it in the tub, in the shower. I mean, Jesus, anywhere. Play with it alone, play with it with your partner. Lord, I'm gonna say this, okay? Because I'm gonna end this video. I don't want to make it too long, but you need Sila in your life. Once again, thank you guys for joining me. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button. If you have not already, hit that notification button. Follow me over on Instagram. That's where I'm most active. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, okay? Become my bestie. Become my internet bestie. I'm looking for new friends, so come on and join me. Anyways, thanks. Questions, check the description down below. If it's not answered, leave them in the comment section and I will get to you, baby. Till next time, peace, love, and deuces. We about to get this clit lit and